12 high antioxidant foods that you should eat more often. Antioxidants are compounds produced in your body and found in foods. They help defend your cells from damage caused by potentially harmful molecules known as free radicals. When free radicals accumulate, they may cause a state known as oxidative stress. This may damage your DNA and other important structures in your cells. Sadly, chronic oxidative stress can increase your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes and cancer. Fortunately, eating a diet rich in antioxidants can help increase your blood antioxidant levels to fight oxidative stress and reduce the risk of these diseases. Scientists use several tests to measure the antioxidant content of foods. One of the best tests is the FRAP, ferric-reducing ability of plasma, analysis. It measures the antioxidant content of foods by how well they can neutralize a specific free radical. The higher the FRAP value, the more antioxidants the food contains. Here are the top 12 healthy foods that are high in antioxidants. 1. Dark chocolate. Lucky for chocolate lovers, dark chocolate is nutritious. Dark chocolate is delicious, nutritious and one of the best sources of antioxidants. Generally speaking, the higher the cocoa content, the more antioxidants the chocolate contains. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are among the best sources of antioxidants in the diet. They are rich in anthocyanins and other antioxidants that may help reduce the risk of heart disease and delay the decline in brain function that happens with age. 3. Strawberries. Strawberries are among the most popular berries on the planet. They are sweet, versatile and a rich source of vitamin C and antioxidants. Like other berries, strawberries are rich in antioxidants called anthocyanins, which may help reduce the risk of heart disease. 4. Pecans. Pecans are a type of nut native to Mexico and South America. Pecans are popular nuts rich in minerals, healthy fats and antioxidants. They may also help raise blood antioxidant levels and lower bad cholesterol. 5. Artichokes. Artichokes are a delicious and nutritious vegetable not very common in the North American diet. But they have a long history. People in ancient times used their leaves as a remedy to treat liver conditions like jaundice. Artichokes are vegetables with some of the highest levels of antioxidants, including chlorogenic acid. Their antioxidant content can vary based on how they are prepared. 6. Goji berries. Goji berries are the dried fruits of two related plants, Lycium barbarum and Lycium chinense. They have been a part of traditional Chinese medicine for more than 2000 years. Goji berries are a rich source of antioxidants, including a unique type known as Lycium barbarum polysaccharides. These have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and cancer, and may help fight skin aging. 7. Raspberries. Raspberries are soft, tart berries that are often used in desserts. Raspberries are nutritious, delicious and packed with antioxidants. Like blueberries, they are rich in anthocyanins and have anti-inflammatory effects in the body. 8. Kale. Kale is a cruciferous vegetable and a member of the group of vegetables cultivated from the species Brassica oleracea. Other members include broccoli and cauliflower. Kale is one of the most nutritious greens on the planet, partly because it's rich in antioxidants. Although regular kale is high in antioxidants, red varieties may contain close to twice as much. 9. Red cabbage. Red cabbage has an impressive nutrient profile. Also known as purple cabbage, it is rich in vitamin C, K and A, and has a high antioxidant content. Red cabbage is a delicious way to increase your antioxidant intake. Its red color comes from its high content of anthocyanins, a group of antioxidants that have been linked to some impressive health benefits. 10. Beans. Beans are a diverse group of legumes that are inexpensive and healthy. They are also incredibly high in fiber, which can help keep your bowel movements regular. Beans are an inexpensive way to increase your antioxidant intake. They also contain the antioxidant kaempferol, which has been linked to anti-cancer benefits in animal and test tube studies. 11. Beets. Beets, also known as beetroot, are the roots of a vegetable scientifically known as Beta vulgaris. They have a mild taste and are a great source of fiber, potassium, iron, folate and antioxidants. Beets are a great source of fiber, potassium, iron, folate and antioxidants. They contain a group of antioxidants called betaines that have been linked to impressive health benefits. 12. Spinach. Spinach is one of the most nutritionally dense vegetables. Spinach is rich in nutrients, high in antioxidants and low in calories. It's also one of the best sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, which defend the eyes from free radicals. Antioxidants are compounds that your body makes naturally. You can also get them from foods. They protect your body from potentially harmful molecules known as free radicals, which can accumulate and promote oxidative stress. Unfortunately, oxidative stress raises the risk of heart disease, cancers, type 2 diabetes and many other chronic diseases. Fortunately, eating a diet rich in antioxidants can help neutralize free radicals and reduce the risk of these chronic diseases. By eating a wide variety of the foods in this video, you can boost your blood levels of antioxidants and reap their many health benefits. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.